All righty. You just told me a big win today. What was life like before we started, and what's life like now?
It's better. One of the biggest things I noticed is I used to lay in bed and not move because it hurt, and now I can roll all over in bed, turn over, and everything. And
Awesome.
it's easy. That feels good.
Awesome.
That's the biggest change I've seen.
And that's in your back?
My back and my legs.
Sure.
The hips. Yeah.
Yeah. Awesome.
Yeah.
And how are the knees doing these days?
Good.
Good.
Good,
What have you
yeah.
noticed difference with your activities that are better?
I feel stabler walking, I think,
Okay.
and they don't hurt as much.
Good.
No.
And we're not even very far into this program, and we're seeing improvements like that already. That's fantastic.
Yeah, I'm expecting big things.
All righty. Very good.